So my requirement is, suppose I want to see like how many rows are there inside a particular table. So for that, let me use select a count example, count keyword, and I'm going to count how many rows are there inside a particular column. For example, the column name is your buy price, count from your products table. Let me select product table and execute this query. Oh, sorry. Let me click on this. Now you can see there are total 110 rows from this column. So this buy price is one of the column, and how many records are there inside that we have used by using a count function. So if you want to check for the entire table, let me show you. If I select this and execute, I can see all the records here. And if you want to see how many rows are there inside this, then instead of a column name, you can specify star also and select this and execute. So this will take care of getting you the count of all the rows in your table, that is 110.